Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna try to remove broken piece of vehicle antenna and replace it with a new one. So it looks like somebody stole this one, so they just bent it and the piece broke inside. It's a good thing it's not like firm inside, so I can unscrew it. There we go. Now I'm gonna see if I can fit this new one. Perfect. There we go. Brand new antenna is installed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.